I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to kick off a series that we actually did last fall and winter season that was kind of fun, where I am giving my top 6 scent suggestions per room in the house. Now, I know there's a lot of you out there that like to have the same type of scent going all throughout the house. And then there's some people like me that just love all the things and you want to have different scents per room, maybe just to be able to enjoy a little bit of everything. So whatever that looks like for you, maybe this will be something that you still might want to tune into. If you are someone who likes laundry type scents all throughout the house, then you're going to want to tune into the laundry room episode video, if you will. Or if you're someone who loves gourmand or bakery type scents all throughout the house, that would be me too. Then you're gonna want to tune into the bakery video, that type of thing. But we're gonna break it down by room in the house, and today we're gonna kick off the series with the laundry room. So I figured this would be a fun series to kind of kick off again, because although some of these scents maybe won't change from last season, a lot of these scents actually will, because obviously, especially if you are a bakery lover, you may want those really heavy, rich bakery scents during the fall and winter season, but during the spring and summer season, you may want something a little bit lighter, a little bit cleaner, that sort of thing during, the seasons. So, let's go ahead and kick it off. So like I said, we're going to start out with the laundry room is where we're going to start out with. So for those of you who love a nice clean laundry type scent, like clean laundry, this is going to be the video for you, my friends. So I have picked my top 6 picks personally. That doesn't mean that my opinion is the end all for laundry scents, but these are just my top picks. So I do have 4 bars here that we're gonna sniff through, but the other 2 that I don't have in the bars, I've got the little testers to sniff out. So let's start with the testers, why not? So this one, of course, had to make the laundry list, and that is French lavender. If you are someone who just likes a really nice lavender scent, especially if you're someone who doesn't like a scent that's super strong, but you appreciate a good lavender scent, you should pick up the French lavender that Scentsy makes, because it is so nice. It's a very authentic kind of, herbal lavender scent. It's really, really nice, and it's not overpowering. Some of these floral scents can be super, super strong and almost suffocating, but this is not that. It's really nice, and for my personal preference, it's actually a little bit lighter. So in our laundry room is actually perfect because it's a very small space. If I were to warm this in our downstairs, it would just get lost and we wouldn't smell anything at all. But in like a bathroom or a laundry room, this is absolutely perfect. So, and that's just what it smells like. It's just French lavender. So Scentsy describes this as pure herbal. I'm really glad I did not look at the description before this. Obviously, I've been a consultant for 6+ years, so I have read this description before, but I didn't read this right before. So I'm glad my sniffer picked up herbal. Or maybe it's just sitting in my head from the years. But pure herbal fragrance of wild lavender from the hills of France. Now, I've never been to France, so I couldn't tell you if this smells exactly like actual French lavender, but this does smell like a very authentic lavender scent. So it's really nice. If you want something that's going to be a powerhouse though, this is not going to be the one. If you like lighter type scents, if maybe you struggle with migraines, especially maybe some particular scents that induce migraines, this one probably is not going to do that for you. So that one had to make the list. The other one that had to make the list, if you like lavender type scents but you want it a little bit stronger, Lavender Cotton for sure. This one I definitely love. If I were to pick only one lavender scent, it would have to be Lavender Cotton. I like my scents a little stronger. I can't help it. But the French lavender is really nice, and it is more of an authentic actual lavender scent. This just smells like lavender laundry. You do get that more like clean cotton meets really pretty sweet lavender. It's really nice, and I love this in the laundry line. We're not talking about the laundry line, but oh man, do I love this. It's so nice. So this just smells like that. It's a sweet lavender meets clean cotton. Oh, it's so good. Love it. So Scentsy says, Lavender Cotton, find your magical moment in purple lavender, soft cotton, and daisy blossom. It's so good. I love it. And I smell laundry because this is one of the scents we use in our laundry. So I love it. Okay, let's talk about the bars here. I love sniffing through bars. I've got more real estate to stick my sniffer in. So much fun. Okay, the next one is, it has to be Clothesline, of course. Clothesline is, oh my goodness. If you've been with me for any amount of time, you have heard me say this over and over and over again, and I will say it till I'm blue in the face. This is probably the strongest Scentsy bar scent that Scentsy has to offer. It'll knock your socks off. It'll knock your neighbor's socks off. It'll knock your neighbor's socks off. It's so strong. And it's so good. I love this. It's a very sweet, it's a sweeter, clean cotton scent. It's a sweeter, clean cotton scent. There's also, it's almost like there's a little bit of fruit to it, but it's definitely like a cotton scent. Now, my sniffer goes rogue, and I know that I've told you guys this over and over again, but my sniffer actually picks up a little bit of fruit stripe gum. I don't even know if that gum is even around anymore. I'm a kid from the 80s. Every time we would go to the grocery store, I'd always ask my mom to pick up fruit stripe gum, and this, to me, smells like clean laundry and fruit stripe gum. I know that sounds so weird, but that's what I smell, but I really love it, and it's crazy, crazy strong. It is a bestseller for good reason. Scentsy says crisp greens, orange flower. So there you go. So it's probably the greens and the orange flower that's giving it more of that fruity kind of feel. Creamy violet in white wicker basket will let you savor the scent of just washed laundry. So definitely amazing, especially if you are someone who loves laundry scents all throughout your house and you have an open concept. This is not going to give you any issues in any warmer ever. You can have an 8-watt warmer, you can have a 10-watt element warmer, you can have a 40-watt warmer. Open concept, windows open. This is gonna do just fine. You're not gonna struggle with scent throw with this particular scent. Okay, the next one I chose was Clean Breeze. And this one is just it's just that. It's more of an authentic, like laundry scent, like just plain laundry. Like where Clothesline gives you a little bit of like a sweeter element to it, where you get that kind of like almost fruity note that meets the Clean Laundry. This is just Clean Laundry. That's it. That's all it is. Just Clean Laundry. That's it. This is also a bestseller. Another really strong scent as well. White florals with a touch of spring. This is a scent of fresh, clean laundry. There you go. Yep. Yes, and it is nice and strong too. So once again, if you've got an open concept, if you like laundry scents all throughout your house, if you have element warmers and you're worried about performance, this one is gonna do the trick every time. Next one is Pink Cotton. And this one, I know if you've been with me for any amount of time, you've heard me tell you this story where this one was it was a dark horse for me. This one was not a late bloomer. I discovered this later. This was all me. Pink Cotton has been under my nose for a while now, but I think it was still in the first season that it released though, and it was a friend of mine who ordered it, and it came in and I stuck my nose in her bar and I was like, oh my, this smells lovely. Because like I said, when you're sniffing through these little testers, like it smells good, you get the general idea of what it smells like, but when you've got all this real estate versus this, it's so good. So, okay, picture this. Sit here with me. Picture this. We've got beautiful, sweet red berries, a little bit of like vanilla sugar meets cotton. I know that may sound weird because you're like, do I really want fruity laundry? You do. This smells so good. Oh, it's so good. It's so pretty. It's very feminine and just sweet. So if you're someone who, especially, this and the laundry line is probably my favorite. Between this and Lavender Cotton, but I think if I only had to pick one, it's hard to say. Maybe Pink Cotton. The only thing is I wish Scentsy would come out with the Scent Soft in Pink Cotton. Oh, it's so good. But this is not your traditional average like clean laundry scent. This is your Clean Breeze is traditional clean laundry scent. Pink Cotton is clean laundry with a feminine twist. Sweet feminine twist. Pink Cotton, find your fantasy on a cloud of clean cotton swirled with fruity pink berries. Okay, I said red berries. It's delicious. It's sweet. That's all that matters. The color doesn't matter. Pink berries and vanilla sugar. So there you go. And that's exactly what I get. It's berries. It's a little bit of vanilla sugar meets clean cotton. And I know that sounds strange. I know it sounds strange, but it's good. Take my word for it. It's so, so good. Last but not least, most certainly has to be Jammy Time. Jammy Time has to make my list, you guys. Jammy Time was my first love of the laundry line and laundry fragrance. This to me smells so comforting. So whenever I smell this, I always say that. I'm like, it just smells so comforting to me. I just love this. I don't know if there's freesia in here. I feel like there should be. It's like freesia, lavender, chamomile, vanilla. Like that's what I smell in this. It's sweet, clean laundry, but it's like that chamomile note, almost like, because it gives it like a little bit of sweetness and just makes me feel like comforted. And probably because my bed smells like this. We do all of our bedding and our towels and blankets and all that in Jammy Time. So this just smells cozy. I love it. So Scentsy says Jammy Time, drift into dreamland with baby freesia, lavender, and sweet pea. So there you go. I wasn't completely off. There is no chamomile, there is no vanilla, but it is a sweet floral scent. And it's clean and it's comforting, and I just love this so much. So love this. In fact, I've got a girlfriend that had told me, she's like, why can they not make Jammy Time in everything? Like, wouldn't that be nice if they could just make like your favorite scent in all the things? The body wash, the hand cream, the body cream, the laundry line, and all the things, right? Wouldn't that be amazing? So Jammy Time had to make my list. So really quickly, once more. So for my scent suggestions for laundry lovers or your laundry room would be Lavender Cotton, French Lavender, Clothesline, Clean Breeze, Pink Cotton, and Jammy Time. Those would be my 6 picks personally. So let me know in the comments below what you would pick for your laundry room. What your favorite of all the laundry scents are. Let me know in the comments down below what you love the most. I would love to hear from you. But yeah, so just figured this would be a fun way to kick off this series. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.